11R 5G smartphone. It comes in galactic silver and sonic black color variants. It has Oxygen OS based on Android 13 and Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen processor. You can choose between 8GB RAM, 128GB ROM and 16GB RAM, 256GB ROM variants depending on your usage. Now let us look at its 6.7 inches Super Fluid AMOLED display for cinematic viewing. It has 450 pixels per inch, 10-bit color depth, HDR10+ and 2772 by 1240 pixel resolution to ensure vibrant visuals. It comes with in-display fingerprint sensor. The 50-megapixel main camera with Sony IMX890 OIS supported comes with 8-megapixel ultrawide camera and macro lens, and 16-megapixel front camera with AIS support to capture the world on the go. Experience the best battery life with its 5000 mAh and 100 watts Super VOOC for long-lasting battery. The box includes phone, data cable, USB-A to USB Type-C, charger, SIM ejector tool, protective case, quick guide, safety guide, brand sticker and welcome letter. This product comes with standard brand warranty.